Well, today we'll see in short what is an alternate data stream and how it can be used on NTFS file system supported OS in order to hide a particular file, which apparently would be a malicious file like a rootkit or a virus. So we start by creating a file. I already have created a file in D directory. It's a text file, so let's open it. Name of the file is first.txt. It says this is the first file. Now we'll open the other file. It's the name of it as second.txt. Alright, now presuming that second.txt is a malicious file whose presence I want to hide, there's a very simple way of doing it. This is how it's done. You use the type command followed by the name of the file that you want to hide, input it into the name of the file that you think would be safe, and just give a dot to stream it. So here the file second.txt would be hidden into first.txt. That's done. Well, let's delete the file second.txt. I'm sorry, it's in D directory. It's deleted. Now let's confirm by typing it. Alright, so as you see that the file doesn't seem to appear there in the D directory. However, if you type it using the streams, should be available to second.txt. Let's use Notepad to view the file. Alright, now like you see, it says this is the second file. So the second file still exists and is written by the first one. However, you can access both files using this method. Now let's see. So this is how you generally hide the existence of a particular malicious file using alternate data streams. However, having said that, it's not very difficult to detect the presence of alternate data streams. There exist many freeware utilities. One of them is called Streams. It is available on Microsoft website under the sys internal suite. There are many other useful utilities under this group, and we would be using it quite often for malware analysis. Like you see, there is another file second.txt that is attached with it. Now it's very easy to remove alternate data stream file. This can be done by this. Just rename the file. .txt. My goodness, it's D. Now you input this one.txt into first.txt. You got to follow it by D. Just tell d1.txt. Now we'll use the streams again on the first.txt and we'll see there's nothing. So this is the way you can remove a particular alternate data stream attached to a file. The example I showed was of a txt file, but exactly the same analogy applies to exe file. I'll show you exe file that is attached with an alternate data stream. It is also located in my D directory. I'm sorry, it's streams. Here you go. So pskill.exe file is attached with w.exe. Apparently the pskill.exe would be hidden, and to remove it is very similar to what we saw just now. Thanks for watching.